Hello guys, so today I'm back with another attack. And as you see, I got a dragon from my leader in my clan, so I'm very happy for that. So, let's find a good base to use my dragon on. So this base, I can take it off quite easy, but yeah, I don't wanna skip because it was quite much easy resources which I want to have, so I'm gonna head and spam some giants. Now when the air defense is done, oh, I forgot it wasn't a clan castle, so yeah, I wasn't supposed to drop it, but I guess it's okay because we can win anyway. So yeah, this is my first dragon attack ever. I'm so happy that my leader could give me this because now my clan is getting stronger, so pickets and dragons are getting donated, which is very cool. So I need to upgrade my barracks. And also see I have 1 million gold, and that's because I think I'm going for the town hall now. Not much left to upgrade, and if there's anything left I can do it while the town hall is upgrading. And I'm sorry for my voice is a little weird and it sounds like I don't know, I'm a little sick, so that's why. And I try to not breathe in the mic so much, so microphone, so yeah. Now, as you see here, the arch tower is getting destroyed. At the same time, the town hall is getting destroyed. That's because dragons now do splash damage. Love that. That's an awesome feature. Now there's not much left, and yeah, it was a really quick 3-star and a really cool one because yeah, dragon. So here's some awesome footage of my first dragon ever. So yeah, more dragon footage will be coming soon when I upgraded myself and as my very kind clan mates donate them. So 200k resources and a dragon attack, not bad at all. See you later guys, and have a great day. And also said soon the town hall is coming because as you see all my defenses are maxed out. See you later guys.